When I first mixed vinegar and cinnamon, I was genuinely surprised by the results. If you have not tried it yet, you definitely should. This simple preparation is not only effective, but it can also save you money that you would otherwise spend on expensive commercial products. Instead of simply combining the ingredients, we will take one extra step to make the mixture even more powerful. First, grind some cinnamon into a fine powder. While you can use pre-ground cinnamon from the store, freshly ground cinnamon has a stronger aroma and a more potent effect. If you enjoy practical and useful household tips, subscribe to our channel and stay updated with new ideas we share regularly. It is completely free. In a container with 200 ml of warm water, add the prepared cinnamon and stir well. Let the mixture sit for about 2 hours so the cinnamon can fully release its properties. After that, pour in an equal amount of vinegar and mix everything again. Once the mixture's ready, strain it through cheesecloth or a fine sieve to obtain a clear liquid without residue. You might be wondering why we go through all these steps, and I will explain shortly. Pour the finished liquid into a spray bottle. You can use it around windows, doors, balconies, or other areas where unwanted guests tend to appear. The combination of cinnamon and vinegar helps repel ants, mosquitoes, cockroaches, centipedes, and even mice. At the same time, vinegar cleans and refreshes surfaces, while cinnamon leaves a pleasant, warm scent. In addition to repelling insects, you can also use it to clean various surfaces around your home. Simple to make, versatile to use, and truly effective. This is why the trick is worth trying. Share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.